Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to activate watermark for every shooting in your camera setting on Android phone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you need to do is open up your camera. After you open up your camera, next thing you need to do is to click on this setting icon. The next thing you need to do is to click on customize watermarks. That's going to take you right here. So what you need to do right here is to simply enter watermark order. So it's going to take you right here. So you have different types of watermark. You can add time watermark, city watermark, brand watermark, or text watermark. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use text watermark. So once you click on text watermark, you can type in whatever text you want to use as your watermark. Having entered the text, click on rename. Then once you click on rename, you're going to have the text right here. Finally, turn on this particular button right here. So you can see this is how the watermark is going to appear on every image you snap with your camera. It's that simple. For more tutorial about camera setting on Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.